लिखें जी, बाय दिस कॉमन ऑर्डर द टू बेल एप्लीकेशंस कोमा वन moved by applicant Nizamuddin Jafri and the other is filed by Arbab Jafri and Barkat Jafri, comma, shall stand disposed of as the same have arisen out of one crime being FIR number 16/2012 registered at police station Amrat under section 460,459,380,457 PPC. However, the challan was submitted for the offences under section 302,457, 337, 148 and 149 PPC full stop. As per the FIR lodged by complainant Saleh Jafri on 26/7/12 at 11:30 PM, the incident took place on 26/7/12 at 1 AM when the complainant party woke up on dogs barking and saw that one of their buffaloes was missing from the premises of their house full stop. Complainant party then come out of their house and on the torch light they identified the accused Mukhtar with Kalashnikov, and some other persons who were armed with rifle full stop. It is further stated in FIR that the culprits were going by taking away the buffalo of the complainant. Therefore, complainant party resisted while arriving near the culprits full stop. In the meantime, accused Mukhtar Jafri fired with his Kalashnikov at Nawab and Khadim, both nephews of the complainant, with the result they both fell down full stop. However, the culprits left away while taking buffalo of the complainant with them full stop. The injured Nawab succumbed to the injuries and died at the spot, while the injured Khadim Ali was taken to the hospital after receiving letter of police full stop. After burial of dead body of deceased Nawab, the complainant lodged such FIR full stop. I have heard learned counsel for the parties and perused the relevant record which shows that the name of the applicant Nizamuddin is not appearing in the very FIR full stop. The learned counsel for the complainant has pointed out that the name of the applicant Nizamuddin was disclosed in the statement under section 161 CRPC of the PWs recorded by the police on the same day when the FIR was lodged full stop. Learned counsel for the applicant Nizamuddin in para number 7 of the grounds of the bail application has very clearly mentioned that this applicant Nizamuddin is brother-in-law of complainant Saleh. Therefore, there arises no question of later identity of accused Nizamuddin full stop paragraph. This point, however, makes the case of prosecution to be of further inquiry in respect of applicant Nizamuddin full stop, so far as the case of remaining applicants Arbab and Barkat is concerned, comma, it is clear from the very FIR that none of them fired with their weapons and no firearm weapon is alleged to have been recovered from them, and even no empty of cartridges of the gun is alleged to have been secured from the spot, full stop. The vicarious liability of applicants Arbab and Barkat needs further inquiry, full stop. However, comma, in this connection, learned counsel for the complainant has submitted that the common intention is not required to be ascertained when the offences falls under section 460 ppc, full stop. It appears that such section has not been applied by the police in the challan in which section 302 ppc has been added, full stop. The contention of learned counsel for the applicants is also that the applicants are related to each other and they all are involved in one case of alleged theft of only one buffalo, full stop. This, however, comma, needs to be determined by the trial court, full stop. It has been pointed out that no witness has been examined by the prosecution as the trial court is lying vacant, full stop.